Wonderhood, a new company that is just coming out with these amazing building sets that are designed to really bring out a lot of language and storytelling. So I'm here with one of the founders, Solange, two moms of girls that want to encourage STEM, right? Boys obviously also love playing with play sets like this. And so we've got some prototypes here of the Grand Hotel, and the actual pieces are going to be really strong, like this strong plastic, and I love these pieces that put them together, great for fine motor, but the whole thing is very sturdy, which it has to be for kids. So each panel has so much design and detail in it, so you can talk about different accessories. Here we have the cabana, and I'll have to show you the pool. The pool is quite cute. I just want to be there now when it's not so cold. They've got a gift and souvenir area, all these things to prompt the child's storytelling and get it going in different directions. So I like it because it's not so specific that the toy is driving the child, but the child is driving the play. So they can look at these things and think, oh, and of course we have to somebody has to come back with a little necklace for us, right, when we're on vacation. So anyway, another great feature is they've got the language in another place too, because there is a little journal. And this is Chelsea. Do you want to show how she goes up and down?
Oh, sure. Well, actually, this one is not.
Oh, that's right, but she will go up and down.
Yes.
Yes. And so, do you want to tell us about the journal?
Sure. So the journal is great because it gives kids a context to start their play. So for example, Chelsea lives in the Wonderhood Grand Hotel with her family. The journal kind of gives a background on what her favorite things are, what she likes to do, what she wants to be when she grows up. There's an area to record Chelsea's favorite things, and the area for your child to record her favorite things. And most importantly, there's an area where there are journal entries in Chelsea's voice that prompt the child to do something different and play differently. So for example, can you build the hotel as high as possible to see the fireworks show tonight, or what
can I just say the one I like?
Oh, sure.
Can you build the hotel as high as you can and put the ice cream shop on top? Which of course I would like, because somebody's going to propose to his girlfriend up there with an ice cream sundae, and a plane's going to fly by with skywriting or something. So anyway, it just prompts to go to another place. I would not have thought of that. The ice cream shop, yes, but the rest of it, no. So kids are, obviously it's open-ended play, they lead the play, but you know, it's not bad to have a few prompts to go another direction.
Yes.
So anyway, love this new toy. They've also got corner shops coming. They should be in stores in September.
Thanks. Thank you so much, Sherry.